Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This one was on a Sunday evening. Me and my baby boy, we decided to take a walk to the nearby supermarket to look for something. So my name is Jodie Paul. If you are new, please karibu sana. Here we've already reached supermarket, and as you know, babies will never pass this thing. If you have a baby or a toddler, please comment down below if yours ever passes this thing. This is the only thing which excites my son. When he heard that we are going to this nearby supermarket, he knows it's there. So at this point, he was really enjoying himself. He was driving, but I was so happy. I had to stay here for like an hour to wait for him. But as a mother, I was kind of happy. And yeah, I didn't have much complaint because we had a lot of time. He enjoyed himself, and I was really happy. At this point, we are reached inside the supermarket, and there were these Christmas decor. I was checking onto them, but the prices were so high. And if, as you people know, if you have a toddler, you never pass the toy section. Hey, so we were here just arguing and deciding on what to pick, but luckily enough, he didn't find something which made him happy. The one that he picked was so expensive, so I had to convince him. And at least at times we get in the same page. And here he was so happy dancing that we'll come by it next time. So as a woman, you'll never pass the kitchen section, the plates, the mugs. I was here looking for anything I could buy and spotted that blue mug. I really loved it. I saw it from one of our own, Shelvin Odur. So please guys, go check her out. She's really good. She's a mother. She do content based on motherhood. The main reason why we came to the supermarket was to look for these Crocs, and here we were just looking for one. And I usually let him pick whatever he wants and see whether it suits him, and that's what we pick. Nowadays, I don't want to pick things he doesn't want. So, yeah, so enjoy the video, guys.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. 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 No, I'm not giving.
So, guys, we are back home, and I picked some things along the way. Hope you've seen what I was trying to pick. So let me show you first what I got from the supermarket. I got these cute Crocs. This was his choice. He picked this one. Nowadays I let him pick what he loves. So these ones I picked. Actually, these are the things which took me there. We were just roaming around, and as you know, a woman or a mother will never fail to pick anything from the supermarket. So I also picked this parcel, 500 grams. Guys, I'm heading somewhere, so I'm not restocking a lot. As you can notice, I'm not done December shopping. I'm just restocking. And also pick this geisha, traditional black soap. And guys, if you've been here long enough, you know I'm a Dove person. But the price of Dove, I can't withstand it anymore. The price of Dove, I can't withstand it anymore. So I want to shift to Nivea. That's why I pick this small one, 200 ml, so that I can familiarize myself with it, guys. I've never used Nivea. I've been a Vaseline person before I migrated to Dove, but I've used Dove for a while. So yeah. And then my sinks lately has been misbehaving. So when I found this pump, I was so happy and I picked it. This sink pump, and I hope it will help me. And then next I picked this Menengai bar soap. Yeah, 800 grams. I didn't pick a lot from the supermarket. And also I picked Aramis. I picked Aramis. And lastly, from supermarket, I picked these. I was out of tomato paste, so I picked this small one. And I was also craving for some. Actually, I wanted wings, but the wings weren't there, so I decided to pick the thighs. And I picked the thighs, guys. They're not a lot. I picked a few. We'll cook some things tomorrow. So guys, those are the things I got from the supermarket. And this grocery I got from the Kibanda. So let me show you what I got from Kibanda. It's get a lot. I was just restocking a few. Going somewhere, so I didn't want to buy a lot. So I got this thing them. I got 3 of them, each at 20 bob, guys. I think that price was affordable and they look so yummy. I want to eat them. I got 2 capsicum at, these were 15 bob. 2 of them 15 bob. Then I got onions, each at 5 bob. I got these one each at 5 bob, guys. I'm not getting a lot, as I told you. And then I got this garlic. I didn't have garlic, at 20 bob. And then I got these tomatoes, one at 5 bob. One was going for 5 bob, and I really love them so much. They look so fresh. And then when I was getting the onion and everything, I got this coriander for 10 bob. And then I got these leeks. I'm not going to cook with them. I just want to go and plant them, the leeks. So I also got this sandara, 4 of them, but we've already eaten 2. So those are the things I got. I got these potatoes. This is one gorogoro at 120. At least now I feel the price has really gone down, guys. Some weeks ago we couldn't eat potatoes because it was so expensive. The gorogoro was going as 200, and I felt that was so expensive. Then I got these sweet potatoes, potato. This was at 50 bob, guys. Yeah, these 4 of them at 50 bob. 4 of them at 50 bob. And then the last thing, no, not the last thing. You saw me going to the dairy, ATM milk. Then I got this 1.5 liters of milk. I told you earlier, sometimes I get milk from the ATM. Yeah. And also, you saw me getting this fish. I also got this fish, guys. The 2 of them. We want to make some yummy dinner. This was at 150 and this one was what, 100. I felt the price was fair enough and I got two. So guys, those are the things that I got. I wasn't adding much because I just needed like for a few days, then we leave. So let's wash the tomatoes and the fruits and keep them in the fridge. And so this is the following day. I want to make chicken platter for dinner. So at this point I was just peeling the potatoes and making them ready before I start making our dinner.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in.
So guys, I had marinated my chicken and it had stayed for 24 hours. So let's lay them and bake. Meanwhile, my oven is preheating at 170. Don't mind, our chicken is small, but we're just two of us. We don't need a lot. This is a lot for us, me and the baby. Can sprinkle some, what do you call it, salt and a bit of paprika. So guys, let me just sprinkle some salt and some paprika. And I also add some black pepper, but with moderation. I have the baby. So that's it. That's how I'm marinated. So let's spread our potatoes. Our baking tray is so big, but our food is small. Hope you people don't mind. You can just squeeze them in together like that. Hope they'll come out so yummy. And also I have this green pepper and onion. I'd already chopped them off camera. So we add our green pepper and onion onto our baking tray. I'm just trying to spread the potato. You can add as many veggies as you want, and as you people know, you can add your favorite. I also want to add some salt. I feel it's not enough. Just like that. And I'm going to add bay leaves. I'm not going to put a lot. These are my bay leaves. I'd already marinated my chicken with oregano, paprika, turmeric, tomato sauce, soy sauce I mean, and tomato sauce, and a bit of garlic and ginger. So lastly, I'll just sprinkle some oil, vegetable oil, that's what I have. You can use any oil that you have, but me, I have vegetable oil. I'm measuring on the chicken, but also on the potatoes, and our food shall be ready for cooking. So let's put it in the oven, guys, and I'll show you the outcome. Ooh, let's now bake it. Our oven is preheated at 170 degrees, guys, and I'll bake it at 45 to 50 minutes. So let's bake and see the outcome. So guys, our dinner is ready and it really looks yummy. So let's serve it and enjoy it.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again.
So guys, thank you so much. This was our dinner that night. It was really yummy. I served with mango. I had some mango in the house, so I served it with mango and this cocoa pine juice. So if you watch this video until this point, God bless you. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. So let's hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the month, guys. And let's meet in another video, guys.
Every now and again, I